All right, fam, we just got a new package in the mail. I know what it is, and I'm hoping you guys are gonna like it. It's gonna go right where this is, I think, in the game station. Yeah, so we're gonna do a little unboxing here. Wow, look at that, right? A box. All right, fam, so we're gonna be opening this box, as you just saw. Let me take a little sneaky peek before you guys see it, so that way. So we're gonna remove it. We're gonna remove it in 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Got my own, baby, life is grand. Every move I make is just a part of my plan. And I do it just because you said I can't. Do I look like the stepping fetch type? I'm a whole lot of bonus American woman. Do I look like the walk over me type? I'm a whole lot of strong ass American woman. I know nothing.
Hello. All right. So this is episode 9, I think. Let me check the graphic. There it is, episode 9 of Kiski's. Got a new neon, so we're gonna start doing more podcast-related things with YouTubers and streamers and Twitchers and D-livers and mixers and all that fun stuff. So starting around episode 10, you're gonna see a little bit of a change for this series. Starting with a new game. Obviously Fortnite is the thing we're gonna be doing most, but we are going to be changing it up a bit, especially when people we meet on Fortnite persuade us to do so. Obviously this whole thing is more about game addiction and mental illness. At least that's how it started. Now I'm just playing Fortnite a lot, getting yelled at, and making funny voices. So we'll see. Like I said, we're early stages. We still got, after this, 60 parts to go. So let's just see how this thing goes. Take it slow, naturally, let it progress. Then, you know, this is an absolute win. Let's just hope we don't cause any more trouble than there already is. Hey. So we're gonna be going forward with this little experiment, and you're all welcome to join us. But be wary. If you're caught live with us on a live stream, you most likely will never work again in this country. But anyways, all right, I gotta go back to work. Kiski, you, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I gotta post some news. Let's go!